the travelers arrived in the Wild Elephant Valley. They joined their friends, Margot and Juliette. Hi guys, how can we help you on this crazy adventure?
We need a quiet place to be able to cook and to find the next clue.
Follow me!
Incredible! In the heart of the valley, the children find a cable car. They settle in a cabin, set their book down, and wait patiently. Suddenly, an orange smoke swirls in the air, along with the delicious smell of
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate!
When the pastry making is finished, a monkey appears at the cabin door with a letter between his paws.
It's time to leave for Wuishan in the Fujian province, little brother.
A majestic elephant approaches them, and their journey continues alongside this beautiful animal. You just listened to the 5th episode of The Mystery of the Yellow Dragon. See you soon for the rest of the adventures of Tao and Capucine. In the meantime, I invite you to discover the videos of the recipes. If you enjoy the story, do not hesitate to like the video, to talk about it around you, and to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, and if you want to get your book, go to amoureused'une tarte au citron.com. See you!